Welcome to Confident English Cast. I'm Henry.
And I'm Sophia. Hi, friend. Today feels like a warm cup of tea for your English brain.
Also, a tiny workout for your confidence. A gentle one, like lifting one sock, not lifting a car.
Henry is saying this because today we're talking about small daily habits, not huge plans, not perfect schedules.
Exactly. We're making an alternative version of a strong idea. Your future English does not start one day. It starts today, in a very small way.
So before we jump in, do a quick imagination with us. Keep your eyes open if you want, just picture it.
Imagine it's a normal day 1 year from now. Not a special day. Just a random Tuesday.
You wake up, you open your mouth, and English comes out more easily.
Not perfect English. Not movie star English. But real, useful English.
You understand more of what people say, you answer faster, and you don't feel so nervous.
And the best part is this. You feel calm in conversations. You feel like you belong there.
Now come back to today. That 1 year later you is built by tiny actions, little actions done many times.
If you're new here, welcome. We speak in clear B1 English, and we also add a few B2 words.
And we explain them in simple ways so you grow, but you don't get lost.
Also, tell us something later in the comments. What is your English goal right now? Speaking, listening, pronunciation, confidence.
Yes, even one sentence is enough. We read your comments and they honestly help us keep going.
Okay, Sophia, what are we building today?
We're building a strong day, not a perfect day. A strong day that supports your life. And inside it, a small daily English routine.
Because many listeners tell us the same problem. I want to study, but my day eats my plan.
That is so real. Life is busy. Work, school, family, health, stress. So we need something simple, something flexible.
Here's the core idea in one line. Small daily practice creates big change.
And today we'll show you a structure you can repeat. Morning, middle of the day, and evening.
After each step, we'll give a quick English mini-task. 10 minutes or less.
And at the end, we'll do a word corner to review useful vocabulary from the episode with examples.
Let's start with the morning. The first minute after you wake up.
For many people, that first minute is messy. Your mind opens 15 tabs at the same time.
Tabs like messages, deadlines, money, family, health, fear, and also, what should I eat?
Yes, and then you grab your phone and the world jumps into your face.
So the first step of a strong day is very small. It's a single question.
Ask yourself, what is my one focus today?
Not 5 focuses. 1.
It can be health, it can be learning, it can be sleep, it can be relationships, it can be English.
The point is, one focus makes your mind quieter.
And when your mind is quieter, you can act.
Sophia, can we give an example?
Yes. For example, my one focus today is energy. I want more energy.
So you choose one action that supports energy. Maybe you drink water early, or you walk for 7 minutes.
Right? Or my one focus today is communication. So I answer one important message with care.
My one focus today is often don't panic.
That is a focus, Henry, and it's a very honest one.
Now, how does this connect to English?
Easy. Add one simple English focus sentence. Say it out loud.
Like this. Today I will do 10 minutes of English.
Or today I will learn 3 useful phrases.
Or, today I will speak English for 1 minute, even if I feel shy.
Listener, you can repeat after me. Today I will practice English for 10 minutes.
And if 10 feels too big, say, today I will practice English for 5 minutes.
5 minutes is not small. 5 minutes is real.
Step 2 is timing. Because a focus without a time can disappear.
Yes. If you say, I'll do it later, later often becomes never.
Later is a magical land where laundry folds itself and motivation grows on trees.
Henry, please stop lying to the people.
Sorry, I got excited.
Here's a helpful rule. Do your tiny habit early before your day gets loud.
Not at 11:30 p.m. when your brain is asleep but your phone is awake.
Exactly. Give your goal the first fresh minutes of the day.
Mini English task for this step. Choose your same time.
For example, after I brush my teeth, I listen to English.
Or, while I make tea, I read one short paragraph.
Or, on the bus, I shadow 1 minute of audio.
Shadow means you repeat right after the speaker, trying to copy rhythm and pronunciation.
Try this tiny shadowing line with us. I can improve with small steps.
I can improve with small steps.
One more time. I can improve with small steps.
Great, you just practiced confidence and pronunciation together.
Now, step 3, protect your attention.
Attention is your real money in a day.
Yes, because you can have free time but still feel tired if your attention is broken into pieces.
Let's talk about energy drains.
An energy drain is something that quietly steals your time and mood.
Examples: scrolling without thinking, arguing online, watching negative videos, checking messages every 2 minutes.
Or saying yes to every request even when you are already tired.
I did that yesterday. I said yes to 3 things, and then I had 0 energy left for my own life.
So today, we try something different. We create one small boundary.
A boundary is a limit that protects you. It's not rude. It's healthy.
For example, no phone for the first 15 minutes after waking up.
Or, I check social media only 2 times today.
Or, I mute one group chat for a few hours.
Mini English task. Turn one scroll moment into an English moment.
If your thumb wants to open an app, you can choose an English video instead.
Or open a simple dictionary app and learn one word. Just one.
One word daily becomes 365 words in a year. That's huge.
Also, it's very realistic.
Step 4. Move your body a little.
You don't need a gym membership or a perfect workout plan.
Movement is like switching on the lights in your brain.
When I sit too long, my mind becomes cloudy.
Same. But when I walk for 8 minutes, I feel more awake.
Mini English task with movement. Walk and talk.
Walk around your room and describe what you see in easy English.
I see a window. I see a chair. I see my bag.
Or describe your plan. Today I have work, then I will cook dinner, then I will practice English.
Keep it simple. Speed is not the goal. Clarity is the goal.
Step 5. Change your inner voice.
This is a big one. Many learners don't fear English. They fear feeling stupid.
Yes, they make one mistake and their inner voice becomes mean.
It says, "You're terrible. Stop talking."
But a strong day needs a supportive inner voice, like a good teacher.
So we use kind correction.
Kind correction means I notice the mistake, I learn, and I keep going without shame.
Here are 3 simple self-support sentences. Listener, pick one.
Number 1, mistakes help me learn.
Number 2, I am getting better, step by step.
Number 3, I can try again.
Mini English task. Write one of these sentences on paper. Put it where you can see it.
And say it after you practice speaking, even one time.
Step 6, one brave action.
A strong day includes one small courage moment. Not big drama, just one small, brave choice.
Because courage is a muscle. Small reps build it.
For English learners, courage can be very small.
Examples: asking a simple question in English,
Or leaving one English comment on a video.
or sending a short voice message in English to a friend.
Or speaking one sentence in class, even if your voice shakes.
My brave action once was ordering food in English and not apologizing 12 times.
That is growth, Henry.
Mini English courage practice. We'll give you 3 ready-to-use lines.
Line 1, could you say that again, please?
Line 2. Let me think for a second.
Line 3, I'm still learning, but I'll try.
Repeat one now. Let me think for a second.
Beautiful. That sentence buys you time, and it sounds natural.
Step 7. The evening reset.
Many people end the day with random videos and then guilt.
Guilt is heavy, and it makes tomorrow harder.
So instead, we do a 2-minute reset, not a long journal, 2 minutes.
Ask yourself 3 questions.
1. What did I do well today?
2. What drained my energy today?
3. What is one small thing I will repeat tomorrow?
This turns your day into information, not a punishment.
Mini English task. Write 3 short lines in English.
For example, today I did well when I practiced listening.
Today my energy drained when I checked my phone too much.
Tomorrow I will do 5 minutes of shadowing.
Keep the grammar simple. The goal is reflection, not perfection.
Now let's zoom out. A week, a month, a year.
Big change is usually quiet. It is not fireworks every day.
It is small practice, repeated.
If you practice English 10 minutes a day, that is about 60 hours in a year.
60 hours of calm, steady contact with English. That changes your brain.
And it changes your confidence too.
So if you only remember one message from today, remember this. Build a strong day with tiny actions.
Pick one focus, choose a time, protect your attention, move a little, speak kindly to yourself. Do one brave English moment, reset at night.
And if you miss a day, you are not broken. You just restart the next day.
Progress is not a straight line. It's a path with little turns.
Okay, word corner time. We used some useful words today. Let's learn them clearly.
Yes, listen, repeat if you want, and notice which one you want to use this week.
Word 1, focus. Focus means the one main thing you pay attention to.
Example, my focus today is listening practice.
Or, my focus today is sleep.
Word 2, boundary. A boundary is a limit that protects your time, energy, or feelings.
Example, my boundary is no phone during breakfast.
Or I set a boundary and said no to an extra task.
Word 3, energy drain. An energy drain is something that makes you tired without helping your life.
Example, doom scrolling is an energy drain for me.
Or, arguing online can be an energy drain.
Word 4, shadowing. Shadowing is a speaking practice where you repeat right after a speaker.
Example, I do shadowing for 1 minute every day.
Or, shadowing helps my pronunciation and rhythm.
Word 5, courage. Courage means you do something even when you feel scared.
Example, it takes courage to speak English in public.
Or, today I used courage and asked a question.
Word 6, reset. Reset means you stop, breathe, and start fresh again.
Example, after a bad moment, I reset and tried again.
Or, my evening reset helps me sleep better.
Word 7, steady. Steady means calm and regular, not fast and not stopped.
Example, I want steady progress, not perfect progress.
Or, 10 minutes daily is a steady habit.
Now a quick challenge for you. Choose one word from Word Corner.
Make one simple sentence with it. Say it out loud.
If you feel brave, write your sentence in the comments.
We love reading your sentences. And it helps other learners too.
Thanks for spending this time with us on Confident English Cast.
Remember, you don't need a perfect life to improve your English. You need a small plan that fits your real life.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Bye.